Hello students, today we will start a new chapter of Buzzword, chapter number 4, a doctor and a farmer, page number 22. Follow page number 22, chapter number 4, a doctor and a farmer. It is Buzzword book, chapter number 4, a doctor and a farmer. So what a doctor means and what a farmer means. A doctor is A doctor is someone who helps the patients who are sick. A doctor is a person who helps the patients when they are sick. And what a farmer is a person who works on the field. Who works on the field, what he works, he crops the seeds on the field and we get food from there. So a doctor and a farmer. All the person, those who are working for the social society, they all are very much important for us. They all are very much important for us. Now page number 22, section A is written there in the capital. So you will have to listen to your teacher, take part in the conversation. Okay, you have to listen carefully here. Look at the pictures once. Look at the pictures, page number 22. You can see the picture on the video. The first picture shows, as I am showing it with the cursor, a teacher. Who is a teacher? What do you know about a teacher? A teacher is someone who teaches you in school. A teacher is someone who teaches you in school or in tuition. Like, I'm your buzzword teacher. Asha Sharma is your buzzword teacher. So I am a teacher. Those who teaches the children are called teacher. The next image you can see a policeman. What do you know about what policeman is? A policeman is a person who takes care of law in a country. A policeman is someone who protects us, who follows the law of a country, who always protects everyone, who protects everyone from crime, who protects everyone from thieves. Like this, the policeman helps us in our society. Next is a milkman. A milkman is a person who who serves milk to everyone. In the morning we get milk from somewhere, no, one person is coming to our house and it gives milk to us. He is a person called milkman. जो आदमी दूध बेचता है उसे हम milkman कहते हैं. जो आदमी दूध बेचता है उसे हम milkman कहते हैं. That are called milkman, the person who gives milk to everyone. They are having the cows or buffaloes in their home and they take milk from the cow or buffalo and they give it to other people, as milk is very much important to everyone, for everyone. Very importantly to the childrens like you all have to drink milk always. Milk is very much important for our body. It gives calcium to our body, so milk is very much important for our body. Next image, as you can see on your book, it is written here a postman, but the image is not given properly. The image is not given for a postman. There might be some mistake over here. The image is given wrong. It is a farmer given here, but there should be a postman's image. So I'll show you the postman. Yes, now you can see a postman on the screen. A postman is a person who gives service to the postal department. जो हमारी लेटर्स को, those who take care of our letters, who gives or distributes the letters to everyone. जब हमारे लिए कोई चिट्ठी पोस्ट ऑफिस में आती है तब ये पोस्टमैन उन लेटर्स को हमारे घर तक पहुंचाते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द एड्रेस गिवन ऑन द लेटर. They are the workers of post office and they distributes the letters to each and everyone's house. So these are called postmen. Now they are the servants of country as they serve us for the best. Now we'll come to page number 23. Now we will come to page number 23. Now in page number 23 it's written B. Section B, you can see here it's B written here, is it? You can see my cursor B. Okay. Now here the first image is given for a farmer. What is a farmer? Who is a farmer? A farmer is someone who works on the field, to crop the field, to crop the seeds, to crop the seeds. Farmer in Hindi we called it Kisan, the person who crops seeds on the fields and provide us the food, provides us grain, vegetables, all the things that are required for our need. They all grow the plants, they all grow the crops on the fields and serves us for our food. The second image given here is pilot. What does a pilot mean? A pilot means a person who flies the aeroplane or a helicopter or anything that is flying on the sky. That is called a pilot who drives the flying object on the sky like aeroplane, helicopter, jet flights, etc. So जो लोग एरोप्लेन, हेलीकॉप्टर, जेट फ्लाइट्स एक्सेट्रा को आसमान में उड़ाते हैं, ड्राइव करते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड पायलट. उन्हें हम पायलट कहते हैं. Now the next image is a doctor. A doctor is someone who take care of patients coming to the hospital. Doctors are the person who take care of the patients coming to the hospital, those who are sick. डॉक्टर वो है जो किसी बीमार इंसान का इलाज करता है. They gives proper medicine to them to make them cure. जो उन्हें ठीक करने के लिए उन्हें सही दवाई देता है. Okay, now we'll proceed to the last image here, a nurse. This image, as you can see the cursor, this is a nurse. She is a nurse. Nurse are different from doctor. Doctors gives prescriptions, they prescribe the proper medicine to the patient, whereas a nurse take care of the patients. If a patient is having injury or is admitted to the hospital, the nurses take care of that patients. They give proper medicine to them on time. They give injections required. They take care of the patient in the hospital or the patient who is injured. They do dressings for them. नर्सेज वो होती हैं जो किसी पेशेंट को अगर चोट लगी है तो उसको पट्टी बांध देती है, अगर कोई पेशेंट बीमार है तो उसको समय पे दवाई देती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड नर्स. तो ये सब they all are also very much helpful to us. They all are very much helpful to us. We should always respect these peoples. We should always respect these peoples and always follow the instructions given by them. So हमें इन सभी लोगों की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए और ये जैसे कहें वैसी बात माननी चाहिए. Okay, I hope you have understood. So we'll proceed to the next page. So this is page number 24. Section C is given here. You can see my cursor. Section C is given here. Look at each word, read the word aloud. You all have to look at the word properly and you have to read it aloud. So you have to read it aloud in front of your parents, and when we will start our classes in school, then also again you have to read it aloud. A doctor, a milkman, a policeman, a farmer, a nurse, a postman, a teacher, a pilot. So these all are the peoples who serves us, who help us when we need them. So we should always respect these peoples. Come to section D. Look, listen and read. Look means dekho, listen means suno, and read means padho. So first look at the pictures, listen what is said there, and then read it aloud. The first image is given here, a lady who is having a book or copy in her hand, and what is written here, what that we will see now. I am Suzanne. Her name is Suzanne. She is introducing herself. वो अपने आप को introduce कर रही है. I am Suzanne. I am a teacher. मैं Suzanne हूँ और मैं एक teacher हूँ, अध्यापिका हूँ. So she is introducing herself. I am Suzanne and I am a teacher. Now, look at the second image. There are two people. They are talking together. Now, Suzanne is introducing the other person to us. What Suzanne is saying here? You are Samir. He is Samir. He is Samir. You are a postman. तुम समीर हो और तुम एक पोस्टमैन हो. आप समीर हैं और आप एक पोस्टमैन हो. So Suzanne is introducing the man that he is Samir and he is a postman. When we introduce someone other, we say you are Samir, you are a postman, you are my friend and you are a student, like that. Now, what third image is given here? A person alone given here. He is introducing himself as he is showing his hand to himself. As you can see on the hand, he is showing it to his chest. So he is introducing himself. I am Anand. मैं आनंद हूँ. I am a milkman. मैं दूध वाला आदमी हूँ. मैं दूध बेचता हूँ. I am Anand and I am a milkman. Now come to the next image. There are two peoples. Now Anand is introducing to another person. You are Ram Singh. Anand is saying to this man. You can see in the image. You are Ram Singh. You are a policeman. आप राम सिंह हो और आप एक policeman हो. As you can see the dress of a policeman. Yes, he is a policeman. Now, Anand is saying that you are Ram and you are a policeman. Now, what the next image is saying? Now, Anand is showing a finger pointing to someone else, to the other person. What Anand is telling us that we will see, he is pointing a finger to another person and saying, this is Sohan Lal, he is a farmer. This is Sohan Lal. यह सोहन लाल है and he is a farmer और यह एक किसान है. He is a farmer. वो दूसरे को इंट्रोड्यूस करा रहा है. So we will write here he is a farmer. वह एक किसान है. I hope you have understood. So we will proceed to the next image. Page number 26. Page number 26. Section E was given earlier as your homework. So I hope you all have done this. This is your homework. Fill in the missing words and read. There are the words given to you. There are some images also given to you. You have to look at the image first and then fill up the blanks. I'll not give you the answer for this, that you have to do yourself. I dash Ria. I am a dash. I am a dash. ये कौन है? You can look at the picture and the clothes she is wearing, and then you have to find it. Who is she? The same way you will follow to other filling the blanks also. So this is your homework that you will do yourself. Section F. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. There is a star mark here, so we have to follow the instruction given in the star mark here. To wear a badge, you have to wear a badge of your name. Ask three of them to stand near. So this portion we will do in class. Now come to page number 27. This was also your homework. So I hope you all have completed this one also. I'll explain this portion to you once. The person you can see in match the picture, the first person you can see, he is wearing a doctor's coat. So he might be a doctor. He is a doctor. So here are the places given where they work. Where a doctor works, this is a school, this is an aeroplane, this is a police station, and this is a hospital. So where a doctor works is a hospital. This is the first example already given in your book. This is a hospital. So a doctor works in a hospital. In the same way you have to do where a policeman works, in a school, in an aeroplane, or in a police station, that you have to match it up. Where does a pilot works? Again you have to match it up. And where does a teacher works? So again you have to match it up. I hope you all have understood. This chapter shows the importance of each and every country's servant on behalf of all the peoples. They all are serving to us. They all are serving to us. They all are giving their services to us. On the very first page, 22 and 23, you can see all the peoples, those who are very much helpful for us, and the peoples who we always need them. We need them for our day-to-day life. For our day-to-day life. So this chapter is showing the importance of each and every person in our society, and we always should respect them and follow the instructions given by them. I hope you all have understood this one. So thank you, class.